So you find my channel. Welcome, I'm Raphael, and on this channel I teach you how to make mind-blowing props from movies and shows like this, and this, or this, using only this. I have two questions for you. 1. Do you like movies and shows? And 2. Would you like to make awesome props from those movies but without using expensive materials or overwhelming tools? If yes, you are in the right place. So if you are interested in making awesome stuff from your cardboard boxes, or if you just want to see what my next tutorial will be about, hit that subscribe button and turn notifications on so you don't miss my next crazy video with cardboard. But maybe you're wondering why I do that. The simplest answer will be I love movies, I always have. And actually, I've worked in this industry as a professional Steadicam operator and director for 15 years. And with this channel, I want to share my passion for movies and shows that I love by making beautiful things from them. But I don't want to teach expert builders that build things with expensive machines, tools and materials that no one has. I want to teach you about making amazing stuff from what you have in your home. To make real masterpieces that you'd be proud to hang on your wall or to give as a present for a birthday or for Christmas. However, I'm not saying that they are easy to make, but with a little bit of dedication and passion, you'll be okay. So if you are into this, hit the subscribe button, or at least watch some of my other videos because, well, you may like them as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.